Hello everyone, welcome to Study English IELTS Preparation. This is your on YouTube channel IELTS Doctors. I hope you are well and safe at your home, and please take every precaution just to protect your family from this COVID-19. So in today's video I am sharing IELTS test type 2 with you. So the topic I'm going to discuss today is about overpopulation, and the type is agree and disagree. So now let's switch to the topic now. So the topic that we are having today is you should spend about 40 minutes on this task. As you know, for writing task 2 we have 40 minutes to write it. You would not be given even a single minute extra, even single second extra to go for the topic more than 40 minutes. So write about the following topic. So let's read the statement without wasting time. Overpopulation is the world's most serious environmental problem. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Guys, first of all, you just need to be focused on theme line of the topic. So the theme word is overpopulation is the world's most serious environmental problem. So the topic is about overpopulation. So you just need to be focused on overpopulation. Do not add any extra thing apart from overpopulation in your entire topic. So now let's look at the few of the instructions. Give reasons for your answers and include any relevant example from your own knowledge or experience. You need to state an example in your topic. So example you can add in the third part of the topic. So write at least 250 words. You need, as you know, we need to write at least 250 words in order to complete writing task 2 word limit. So even you can write the topic 270 to 80 till 270 and 80. It is a justified you can say word limit for IELTS writing task type 2. So the instructions that you need to keep in your mind while writing agree and disagree. So I'm just telling you this instruction only for agree and disagree topic. Look at the following IELTS writing task 2. So this type of task 2 you need ask you to read the statement. So first you need to read the statement. You have to state whether you agree or disagree with the opinion. Means you just need to state that you are agree or disagree with this topic, or of course you may only partially agree with it. It is not important that you just have to be complete agree or complete disagree with the topic. Still you can go with the partial point of view, that whatever you have about this topic in your mind, so you can be partially agree or disagree with the topic. So you must explain your point of view and give reasons for it. So you just need to state your reasons for this topic. So now let's look at over here. So I'm just starting with the introduction. So let's see the introduction now. Overpopulation is indeed a growing concern in the developing world. So this is theme line of the topic. So you just can say it is you just need a beginning sentence for writing task 2. So this is our beginning sentence is overpopulation is indeed growing in the developing world, so causing many of planet's environmental problems. So it is causing many planet's environmental problems. So what is causing environmental problem is overpopulation, right? So guys, I'm just stopping you for a while. So while you writing task 2, you have to keep in your mind punctuation. Punctuations are very important. So you just need to write punctuations where it is required. So you just need to put punctuations where it it is required. So now let's look at over here. So overpopulation is indeed growing concern in the developing world, causing many of the planet's environmental problem. Although means you just giving another opinion. Although an increasing population does have a negative impact on environment to an extent, means to certain extent it has some negative on the planets. Because as the population will grow, so of course there would be more impacts of it on flora and fauna, so that is the environment. So the greatest problem is facing the greatest problem is in fact caused by the way which is human does to live their lives, right? So in the following essay, both these ideas will be discussed, means both the ideas will be discussed in this topic. So now let's look at what are the ideas that we have discussed in our paragraph. So this is the BP1 body paragraph 1. Overcrowding, what does it mean? Overpopulation. Overcrowding does have a serious impact on the world's environment for several reasons. Means there are plenty of reasons how it has been impacting our environment. So what is impacting our environment is overpopulation. So you just need to be strict on overpopulation, and you just need to state the reasons how overpopulation is impacting the environment. Do not add any extra information apart from overpopulation in your topic. So an increase in population means more pollution. So this is the biggest reason. So the first reason we have stated is an increased population means more pollution caused by environment, by more cars on road, more factories, more farmings, and more household chemicals. As you know, like every day we use lot of chemicals at our home, and that you can say is a toxic waste that we threw in the environment. So pollution is a significant environmental issue, and it can have a serious effect on human and animal health, right? Means it affect on both human as well as on animals health, right? So whatever the problems that we are facing today is due to overpopulation, and due to overpopulation, as it affects, of course, like if there would be more population, so there would be more impact. As the biggest example I'm giving you of this is COVID-19. So why the government is imposing lockdowns now and then? So simple reason is, if there would be more population in the market, of course there would be more serious cases of COVID-19. So that's why it is mandate the government, like it is mandate by the government, the lockdown. So that is the biggest reason of it. So you can get an idea how this works. So overpopulation means that the natural resources are decreasing more rapidly. So this is the another reason that the natural resources are decreasing rapidly. The modern world is consuming more than it can produce. Means we have been consuming the thing that more than it has it can be produced. So people are continuously buying more products and building more houses. Of course, if there would be more people, so we need more houses, we need more products. So for the production and for the products, we need natural resources, and if we need natural resources, of course natural resources might die, right? Fresh water, oil, and natural gas are just some of the resources are in demand, because we cannot live life without water. We need oil for cars, we need natural gases to maintain our daily life standards. So of course these are in high demands. So what is the another paragraph? In the paragraph 3rd, we have stated another opinion. Perhaps overpopulation would not be an issue. So how the overpopulation would not be an issue? Because we has like in the introduction we stated at the last, you just need to keep that point in your mind. We have stated that this essay would discuss both the parts. So this is the another part of the statement. Perhaps overpopulation would not be an issue. However, if society changed the way in which it lived, means people just need to change the life standard in order to protect the environment. So for example, in order to help these environmental problems, people could try to save natural resources by using less water or by consuming fewer products, right? So this is the reason that we can state. So they could also try to reuse or recycle more, because the biggest effort that we can put is on reuse and recycle. We need 3 circles for this, right? Reuse, recycle the products, right? So you just need to be keep in your mind that recycling and reusing is one of the best solution in order to protect environment. So Pollution could also be kept to minimum if people only bought organic food or tried to use less cars these days, right? So if you would use less cars today, of course we can have a better future, and we just need to be focused more on organic food, because organic food requires less amount of fertilizers. Because in if we are doing modern farming, so in the modern farming, of course, we need pesticides, chemicals and fertilizers. So as we would use more fertilizers, chemicals, so it would affect on both animals as well as on human health. So now let's look at the summary of it. So in summary, although overpopulation is a significant problem when considering the environment, so of course overpopulation is a significant problem. So while we think about environment, so it would be less an issue if people made a certain changes to their lifestyle, right? So if we would change our daily lifestyle, so we can just control environmental problems. So guys, these are the ideas that I have stated for you. Still, if you have something in your mind, so you can even use your own ideas. I have just stated few of the suitable ideas for this topic. So still, if you have something in your mind, you can also state your opinion, and I hope you will like this video. I'm waiting for the comments and your feedbacks about this video. Please share your feedback with us. If more requirements are there, so please share your requirements, that what another things you want from us to deliver you. As you know, it's been the lockdown in the world now, so we would of course try to deliver you the maximum resources that we can try. Please follow our channel, subscribe it, and press the bell icon for the latest updates about IELTS topic and IELTS videos. So in our further video, we will take some of the reading tips and the IELTS cue cards. So thank you for watching this video, and thanks a million for supporting IELTS Doctor. I'm very thankful for reaching more on my channel. So please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.